Hey, what's happening, guys? Michael Sublimation 101, aka sublimation101.com. Thank you for joining me once again. Guys, we are doing item number KB17 and KB18. We're going to show you today 18, which is the Sublimation 101 insulated lunch bag. Insulated, as you say. Keep your warm foods warm, your cools cool. It's great for any time of year, especially now that it's getting cold out. Like to keep my food nice. What's the best part is, guys, look how they come packaged. You can put machine washable, your sticker on it for more information about this product. Nice sticker right across the back. Okay? Simply going to unpackage like so. Once the packaging is out, I'm going to take the front. Since we're making this one, I'm going to show you. The front acts as a pouch right here. It has the strap on for the shoulder strap as well as handles. Our handles do have a Velcro strap for them as well. Again, insulated. Ooh, look, it's got ice there. Haha, no. The handles also have Velcro to hold them together for you. And like we said, it does have a strap for strap-on with a padded shoulder. And let me show you how fun and fast this is easy to make. Scotty made me a really cool design today because he knew I needed a new lunch bag. So he went with some heavy color, different shades. I'm simply going to line it up just like that. That's all we have to do. I'm going to grab 2 pieces of my heat tape, our best friend, probably about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And I'm simply going to tape it right at the bottom over here. And I'm going to tape it right at the top. I have my parchment paper down on my heat press to catch any excess ink from going onto my press itself. I'm going to close the press down. We're going to press that at 400 degrees for 45 seconds. Okay, guys, we're on our countdown. We have 7 seconds to go, and we're going to open it up. Now, remember, our cover is going to be very hot to the touch. Paper, garbage. Watch. If you prefer to wear gloves, great. If not, just pick up your paper and tear it right off your product. You don't have to worry about any bleed-through, blowout, anything like that. Look at our beautiful, robust coloring. Notice the shade of white that was picked up from the product. Now that's how you know as an end finisher is how that white comes out. That's really your key factor because you can't print white. So the whiter and cleaner the substrate, the brighter the white is going to be in retrospect, giving us full color all around. I'm going to give this a couple of seconds to cool down. While that's cooling down, it's right over here. I'm going to open up our bag. Like I told you, the strap comes in. Now you don't even have to. The customer can do it. You can do it. But because what's cool is we're going to pop open our insulated bag. Let's unzip and unvelcro. Open it all up. These are great for you as a promotional giveaway. Add specialty, fundraiser item in your community. Get involved. Sports teams, travel teams, pickleball. Look how big that is. Pretty deep there. Now, our strap. We'll flip it up. What I like to do is open it up and show my customer that this is removable for washing. Okay, because it's held on with Velcro. And what I like to do is I like to fold it over, and then I like to go right inside and show your customer. Just pinch it right in so it sticks. And there's your bag. And there's your pocket. And you got your front. Wait. It was not affected from the heat. Front Velcro strap. Let's zip it up. Scotty, I love the artwork you picked. Thank you. This is going to be my new bag for summertime. Love it. Love it. Love the color. Here's the nice padded strap. Another selling point and feature to you, to your client, the end finisher, to the customer. Just get your strap and strap it right on. 1, 2. These are plastic clips. You don't have to worry. In. It's an adjustable strap so I can make it longer and shorter as you see here. And there is my cool sublimatable sublimation lunch bag. Don't forget, guys, item number KB17, KB18 at sublimation101.com. We'll see you soon. I'll be out chilling.